Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to edit the contour cut path using Bezier editing tools, found in the contour cutting feature. We'll demonstrate Bezier editing functions such as Bezier node styles, move lines, break, join, connect, adding and removing nodes, and node and segment edit. To access Bezier editing on a job that already has a contour cut line, right-click on the job in the queue, select Contour Cut, and then click Edit. If the job does not have a contour cut line, right-click on the job in the queue, select Contour Cut, and select Add. After the cut line has been created, right-click on the job again, select Contour Cut, and click Edit. The Contour Cut dialog will open showing the contour cut line in place around your job. The smart bar above is populated with icons. On the left, you have icons to set the different style of a selected node, and as a result, change the type of handles the node will have for editing. The handles control the arc and curve of a line. The four styles are line, cusp, smooth, and symmetrical. The next set of icons are tools to edit the nodes. These are break, join, connect, and add and delete nodes. The last icons are scale, rotate, and node and segment edit. Let's take a closer look at the Bezier node styles. The first option is the line style. This is active when the line and cusp icons are clicked. Here, you will have one handle on the node for editing the path. The next option is the cusp style. This gives you two handles which move independently of each other, both in length and angle. The third option is the smooth style. This style uses two handles with their angles linked but can have separate lengths, giving them separate influence over the curve. Finally, there's the symmetric style. Here you have two handles which move together in an angle as well as in length, giving them equal influence over the curve on both sides of the node. You can also click and drag the line to adjust the path. When you have a node selected, you can right-click with your mouse, where a collection of icons will appear around your cursor. These include the four styles of nodes just mentioned, an icon to change the direction of the cut, as well as an icon to set the start point. It will also include the delete, break and join, and connect icons. The next set of icons on the smart bar to the right include break, join, and connect. When you select a node, the break icon becomes active. This will break the path at the point of the selected node. The path is now broken at the node. To close the path, click and drag the mouse around the two end nodes of the open path. The connect and join icons in the smart bar are now active. Connect will merge the nodes and convert them to one node, resulting in a closed path. Join will create a line between the two nodes, creating a closed path. The next two icons in the smart bar are delete node and create node. To use the delete node, click on the delete node icon to toggle node deletion on. Now click on any node in the Bezier curve and it will be removed from the path. The path remains intact, but the path shape may be altered. If you have a number of nodes to remove at once, you can save time by drawing a marquee around the nodes you wish to remove. After drawing the marquee, release the mouse button and the marquee selected nodes will be deleted. When you have finished deleting nodes, click on the delete node icon to toggle it off. To add nodes, click on the add nodes icon to toggle add node on. Click anywhere on the Bezier path and a node will be created. To turn off Add Node mode, click on the Add Node icon again to toggle it off. Another way to add nodes without having Add Node activated is to double-click on the path and a node will appear where the mouse was on the path. To the right, the top two icons are Scale and Rotate. With a group of nodes selected, click on the Scale icon and you'll see handles on the grouping of the nodes. You can use these handles to scale the node grouping proportionately, vertically, or horizontally. With the node grouping still selected, click on the Rotate icon. You can now use the handles of the node grouping to rotate the selected node clockwise or counterclockwise. Segment Edit and Node Edit icons are the last icons on the smart bar. Start by selecting the Segment Edit icon. To designate the length of the path you'd like to affect, left-click once at the beginning of the length, then left-click again at the end. Once the length is selected, the nodes within this area turn red. Off to the side, right-click and hold your mouse button. A small group of icons will appear around the mouse cursor. These icons consist of corner, arc, line, or delete. To use the line function, move your mouse over the line icons while still holding down the mouse button. Once over the line icon, release the mouse. The nodes within the selected length are deleted and a straight line is drawn from the node at the beginning of the length to the node at the end of the length. Each time you complete a segment edit function, the segment edit icon deactivates. To make another segment edit, you need to go to the Smart Bar and click the segment edit icon. This time I'm going to turn a chamfered corner into a squared corner. Select the start of the chosen length and then select the node representing the end of the length. Once the length is selected, right-click and hold your mouse and select the corner icon. The result shows a square corner where the chamfered corner used to be. Finally, we're going to change the top right side of the sticker, which contains a chamfered corner and a corner that has extra nodes, into a smooth curve. Again, go back to the Smart Bar and select the segment edit icon. Choose the beginning and the end of the length to be converted and right-click the mouse again. This time, choose the arc icon. You now have a smooth arc where the corners once were. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at any time. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos covering all of Cadling's products.